Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start sharing your screen on your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now, first things first, guys, you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi network on your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone is connected to. Next, what you want to do is that you want to go into your Samsung Smart TV and then navigate to the settings tab, which is this button right over here. And then on the settings tab, you want to scroll down to where it says General. And then here, you want to scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay Settings. So if you click on Apple AirPlay Settings, there will be an option to turn on or off AirPlay. So you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. Next, grab your phone, and then on your phone, you want to swipe down from the top right, and then click on screen mirroring. So here you're going to see a list of devices that you can mirror your iPhone screen to. You're just going to click on your Samsung Smart TV, and then there you have it, guys. Now your iPhone is mirroring or sharing its screen on your Samsung Smart TV. You can also go ahead and change the orientation of your iPhone to mimic what's being shown on your TV. So notice how if I turn it vertically, my TV is now vertical, but if I turn it horizontally, now it's turned horizontally as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and screen mirror your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.